You guys can see the sweat, but still I can't see any product movement, guys. So this is really great thing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you someone watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Shweta. I do videos on makeup, beauty and Indian ethnic fashion, mainly saree styling videos on my channel. So guys, if you love all this, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and please be my YouTube family member, and don't forget to ring the bell notification button just beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload any new videos you can get notified about it. So in today's video I'm going to share my 100% honest thought about this viral product, L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. So this is how this product looks like. I am a big fan of L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, the original version. So maybe this is the 12th or 13th pan I have been using, and you can see I already hit the pan. So this is the main reason I was trying to reach out to the product, but it's literally sold out everywhere. But 2 weeks back, ultimately I got my foundation from Ulta Beauty. So in today's video I'm going to share my honest thought, and I'm going to test out this product for 8 long hours. So guys, if you want to know detail about it, please keep watching this video till the end. Right guys, I have done with my eyebrow and I already prepped my skin. I applied this moisturizer, this suitable moisturizer to hydrate and moisturize my skin, and after that I used my sunscreen. What is the sunscreen? I use this sunscreen as because I have a plan for evening walk, so it's a mandatory. And as a primer I used this NYX marshmallow primer, which helps to blur out and smoothen up my skin texture and claim what it's claim and what is mentioned in the website. Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder sweatless texture gives full coverage and a natural matte finish that looks fresh hour after hour. The formula feels breathable and weightless, leaving skin feeling comfortable for up to 24 hours. With the blurring effect and all-day matte finish, this powder even skin tone with no transfer. It is waterproof, heat-proof, sweat-proof, available in 14 shades and suitable for all skin types, even oily skin and acne-prone skin. It is non-comedogenic with no greasy feel and has been tested under dermatological control. It's not possible for me to test out the product for 24 long hours, but I'll be trying to put the product on at least for 7 to 8 hours, and I think it's a decent amount of time to test out any product. So I'm in the shade 140 Golden Beige, as you can see, and it retails for $14.99, and it has 9 grams of product. So this is the shade looks like from inside. So what I'm planning, on my right side of my face I'm going to apply this product with this face brush, expert face brush from Real Techniques, and on my left side I'm going to apply this product with the help of the sponge it comes with. Oh, where is the sponge? Yeah, I found the sponge. So on my left side I'm going to apply the product with this sponge. I never applied this type of powder compact with sponge because it's very hard to blend the product, but let's see how it goes. So now let's apply the product. So guys, as you can see, I already applied this foundation powder on the half of my face on my right side with this brush. Definitely it's not a full coverage foundation because I can see my spots right here and this pimple is clearly visible. I already applied 2 layers of the product, so I don't want to layer anymore. But the formula of the powder is really breathable. It's really lightweight. You can see it feels like my skin but better, which I really like. I don't like, honestly, I don't like full coverage foundation or powder foundation. I don't like to use because on my dry skin it never never goes well. So yes, I like it so far. So let me apply the product on my left side with this sponge now. So this is the reason I don't want to use the sponge. It's really hard to blend the product. So yes, I definitely need my brush to blend the product. But I see on TikTok and on Instagram, everyone is applying this product with a sponge. I don't know how they manage to blend the product, but yes, it's not my cup of tea and I never use it. So guys, I'm done with my application, and from the application I can tell you guys this is not a full coverage powder compact because I can see my spots. This pimple is clearly visible. I applied 2 layers of the product to test out the coverage, but still it is visible. So it's not a full coverage one. It's medium to buildable coverage, I can tell you. But I love the fact that the formula is really lightweight, easy to blend. Right now my skin looks but better. Even it works really well on my textured area right here. So yes, so far I'm liking it. So let me quickly finish up the rest of the makeup and I'll be back here soon, so guys stay tuned for that. With my full makeup, so this is how I love to do my everyday makeup. I must say that other products blends really well top of this powder compact. My skin looks really smooth, guys. I don't see any patches or any dry patches or anything like that. Now I need to set the makeup because I never ever skip my setting spray, and this setting spray from Makeup Revolution. This is one of my favorite makeup setting spray. I need to spray it. Guys, I'll be back here with the result after 3 to 4 hours to let you guys know that how it's going on. I don't have any plan for shopping or anything, but yes, I have a plan for evening walk. Although right now it's very sunny outside, but yes, I have a plan. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. It's too hot here today. So guys, I'm back from my walk and you guys can see the sweat, but still I can't see any product movement, guys. So this is really great thing. I'm filming with my mobile, so please consider it. Yes, it's a sweat proof. I guess it's a sweat proof, no doubt. It's a sweat proof product. So guys, now let me share my final thought about this product. It's been almost 8 hours I have been wearing this product. I just had my dinner, so now it's time to take off this product. But before that, I just wanted to let you guys know my final thought. Can't see any product movement, any creasing or anything like that. My mascara smudged, but there is no movement at all, no product movement at all, so guys. So this is a close-up look. So alright guys, now let me share all the points one by one. So if you have any skin concern and you want some extra coverage, this product is not going to give you that extra coverage effect. So don't expect that from this product. It's a medium buildable powder foundation. I really love the lightweight formula of this product. It doesn't feel anything on my face, which is really a great point. It's a long lasting one which already been proved. It survived today's heat and my sweat. I don't see any product movement. Even I have fine lines right here on my forehead and on my smile line. There is no product settlement at all. Definitely at this point my skin looks oily, but it's quite obvious for any kind of foundation or powder foundation product. If I look at the price tag, $14.99 is little bit pricey. L'Oreal is a drugstore brand, and from a drugstore brand, $14.99 is a little bit pricey one. So but apart from that, I really love this product. I'm giving this product 4.5 out of 5, and definitely I'm going to use this product more often. If you see my makeup tutorials, on my Maxima makeup tutorial, I use powder foundation to set the liquid foundation. So yes, definitely I'm going to use more often on my tutorial, on my daily looks. I hope you found this video helpful, found my review helpful. If you like this video, please give this video a huge like and share this video, share my channel with everyone. I'll be back here soon with another video very soon. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye guys.